This 2024 Winnebago View 24 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Harmony Beige with Walnut high-gloss Tecnoform IDA interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 Winnebago View 24 volts is built on a Mercedes Benz VS30 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.